Once, in a very small village, there lived a boy named Ali. He was poor, so poor that most days his pockets were empty, his shoes had holes, his school bag was torn, and many nights he slept without dinner. But inside Ali lived something no one could see, a dream. He wanted to do something big in life, something that would change his destiny and the destiny of his family. Yet whenever he shared his dream, people laughed. They said, "How can a boy with empty pockets think about big things? Just focus on earning your next meal." Their words hurt him, but deep inside, Ali believed that his future did not have to look like his present. One evening, as Ali sat sadly beside a river, an old wise teacher named Guruji noticed him. He asked, "My child, why do you look so troubled?" Ali replied, "Guruji, everyone says I cannot achieve anything great because I am poor. They say my dreams are too big for a boy like me." Guruji smiled gently and handed him a mirror. "Look into this," he said. "What do you see?" Ali answered, "I see myself." Guruji asked, "Do you see the pain in your eyes?" Ali nodded quietly. "Now look deeper," Guruji continued. "Can you see the fire behind that pain?" Ali looked again, and for the first time, he felt the powerful spark staring back at him. Guruji said, "That fire is your belief. Most people ignore it and give up. But if you protect this fire, feed it with courage and discipline, it will guide you even through the darkest nights. People will try to cover your mirror with dust. They will try to make you believe you are not enough. But you must clean it every day with your actions. Never forget who you truly are." Ali took those words to heart. From that day, he changed his life. He read every book he could find. He practiced writing. He learned from every mistake. He dreamed, not just of passing school, but of changing his family's future. Life was not easy. His mother was sick and needed medicine they could not afford. His father, an old farmer, worked all day under the sun and still earned almost nothing. Ali knew he had to rise. Every morning, he went to school. In the evening, he worked at a small tea shop washing glasses. On weekends, he helped a mechanic to learn new skills. And late at night, while the whole village slept, Ali studied under a faint light. He sacrificed sleep, comfort, even food. But he never stopped. His dream, his mirror, was always in front of him. Years passed. Ali started a small mobile repair business in one corner of the village. He saved every rupee. Then he opened a tiny electronics shop. With hard work and honesty, his business grew. One shop became 3. Soon he launched his own brand of mobile accessories. The same people who once laughed at him now waited outside his office, hoping to work with him. His mother received proper treatment. His father no longer needed to work in the fields. Ali's dream had become reality. One day, Guruji visited him. Ali welcomed him with deep respect. Guruji smiled and said, "You see, Ali, the world tries to make poor boys think small. But those who dare to think big rewrite their own story. Dreams are not measured by money in your pocket, but by the vision in your heart." So, dear listener, if you felt even a small spark inside you today, don't ignore it. Your next chapter of success begins the moment you dare to think big. Start today.